Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Cart. So in this session we will try to understand one lead code problem. So you can see here the problem is from the topic arrays and the problem name is find minimum in the rotated sorted array. So let me first explain this problem in a simple way what they are saying. So initially we will be given one sorted array, suppose having value 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose this is my sorted array. Now in the problem statement they are saying that this sorted array will be rotated from a certain pivot point. Suppose this is my pivot point, for example, then this sorted array will be rotated. So after rotation my array will look like 7, 0, 1, 2. So this is my rotated array. Okay, so they will give us this rotated array and we have to find the minimum from this rotated array. And they are also saying that you may assume that no duplicates are present in the array. So the array is rotated and we have to find the minimum. So the very first things come in your mind is we can simply return the minimum, correct? Return minimum of the list, which is none. Very simple. Let us run and see. So you can see here it is working, correct? So it is being accepted also, but they have given this problem in, you can see here, in the medium, means they are asking us to do something over here. If I am writing this return minimum of these nums, then here my complexity will be order of n, but they are asking whether we can decrease this or not, means whether we can get in log of n or not. So basically they are asking us to perform a binary search in this rotated array. So let us write the algorithm for binary search for this array. So the requirement is we have low, high and one is mid. So initially our low value will be 0 and high will be how much? The index last one 6 and mid will be calculated. So let us write the algorithm while low is less than high. Till the low is less than high, we will iterate throughout this list and we will calculate mid equal to low plus high by 2. So we will be getting here value 3 initially. Now we got our mid value over here. Mid index is how much? 3 and that value is 7. Now we will check. So initially low is here, high is here and mid is here. Now we will check if the value present at mid, means suppose a of mid greater than a of high. If condition is satisfied, means a of mid means 7. If 7 is greater than a of high, which is 2. If this case is satisfied, then what we have to do? We are interested in searching in this section. We have to forget this section and our minimum is present in this section only. So to move in this section only, we have to change our low value. We have to move our low here and high here so that we can search in this section. So if this case is correct, if is satisfied, then my low will be how much? Low will be moved here. So low will be mid plus 1. So now low is changed, low is here now. Low equal to value 4 and high will be the same previous one. Now my mid will be value 10 by 2, which is 5. Now we got the low, high and our new medium will be the value present at index 5, which is 1. So this is our mid. Now we are checking while low less than high. So low is having value 4, 4 less than high, yes, correct. We calculated the mid value is how much? 5. Now I am checking the value present at mid. Value present at mid is how much? 1. This is my index, mid index, and value present at this index is how much? 1. Is 1 greater than the value present at the index high? The value present at index high is how much? 2. No, this is wrong. So what we have to do, if you see here, this was the very first section. Now we are divided into two sections, this one and this one. Now this condition is false, means we are interested in only this part. So what we have to do here, I'll keep my low as it is and my high will be changed to mid. So we'll change the condition here, else my high will be mid. If this is false, then I have to move my condition like this, high will be mid. So you can see here, my high equal to mid, so high value changed to mid. Now while low less than high, yes, 4 is less than 5, it will go inside, mid value will be how much? 9 by 2, which will be 4. So our medium is, let me delete all. Now we are only targeting this section. This was our low, high is this one, and we got the mid as 4, means mid is also present over here. This is our mid. Now we have to check the condition. The value present at mid is how much? 0. This value is 0. Now is 0 greater than the value present at 1, means high, whose value is 1. So this is again false, so it will go in else. So else we have written high will move to m, so high will be changed to m. So initially my m was at index 5, now it will move change to m, which is 4. So high is moved to here. Now while low less than high, so you can see here 4 less than 4, it is false, so it will come out of the loop and we have to return the value present at low. So the value present at low is how much? You can see here, the value present at low is how much? 0. So 0 is our minimum. You can see here we got 0 as minimum. So let us write the logic here. So we have to take two things. The very first is low equal to 0, high equal to length of array nums minus 1. Now mid equal to 0 initially. Now what we have to do, we'll check a condition. While my low is less than high, while low is less than high, it will iterate, we will calculate the mid equal to low plus high by 2. Now the next thing is we will check if the value present at mid greater than the value present at high. If it is satisfied, the same case, means if this condition is satisfied, then we have to move our low to mid plus 1. So low equal to mid plus 1, else we have to change our high to mid, and whenever this condition fails we have to return our value present at nums of low. So let us run and see. So you can see here it is working. So let us submit this code. So you can see here it got accepted. So here the complexity is order of log n. So they have asked us to write this binary search algorithm. So this was the very first problem, find minimum in rotated sorted array. So you can see here they have said no duplicates are present, but for the next problem you can see here. So in this problem, find minimum in the rotated sorted array 2. So they are saying that this array may contain duplicates. So this is the problem 2. So we'll solve this problem in the next session. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Coding Car, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.